Vidudalai Part 1. You'll have a great experience when you watch Vidudalai 2. We all enjoyed while working on the script and with Vetri sir. As Manju said, and then same, I'm also very happy, and then it's a great experience when I was working with Manju. When you watch the film on December 20, I hope you all will love the film, and I'm also very proud that I'm working with Ilayaraja sir. The music he gave for this film is phenomenal, and thanks to Raja sir and everybody. Thanks a lot.
Love you, sir, for your every film.
Sir, love you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Media to few questions ki interaction చేస్తే సినిమా గురించి వాళ్ళు కూడా చాలా మాట్లాడాలి అడగాలనుకుంటున్నారు. సో చైర్స్ తీసుకురారా ప్లీజ్. యా ఓ మోస్తరుగా